Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I like to tell about my constructivism. Okay. So first, what is constructivism? Constructivism is a learning theory construct new knowledge based on experience. The philosophers Jean Piaget believe children learn best when they explore, discover, and even make mistakes. So in the theory, teacher is not central of learning, but student is central of learning. So teacher is guide. Okay, and I have strength and weakness of constructivism. First, strength. What is strength of constructivism? Strength of constructivism is first, student can be active in activity learning, and the number two is student can solve problem, and number three is can improve critical thinking. And then weakness. I have two part about weakness. First is teacher. Teacher can find difficult making concept learning. If a student in class is large, and two student find difficult to get scholarship. So constructivism is learning theory based on experience. Okay, next go to the what will you do as student and as a teacher in the future. Okay, first, as a teacher, I will make fun class, and I will use group work. I will make games, and I will role play, and I will give time to my students to ask questions. And I don't want my student to afraid speaking or making mistakes. Okay, next, as a student is I will active in learning activity. I will join discuss, and then I will ask question, and I try to learn new ways, and I reflect on myself. In English, it's not just learning reading books, but we learn watching video, and then we listening with podcasts. So I believe when we make mistakes is part of learning. So when we make mistakes, it can be improve skill in myself. Okay, the finally part is experience when I present. When I prepared and I give this presentation, I learned many important things. First, I learned how to make a good slide. So it'll be simple, easy to read, and of course only show the important point. And then second, I also learn how to say words correctly when speaking in English. I practice pronunciation to speak clearly and with confidence during the presentation. Finally, realized that as a presenter, I must understand the material. If I know the topic is well, I can explain with audience and I can make audience understand with my topic. And this experience is not only just about reading slide in the phone, but it is about communicating and setting idea and making the listener understand with my topic. So my experience is very many important. Okay, I think enough from my videos about constructivism, about as a student and teacher in the future, and experience about my present. Okay, ya, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.